So the first step to get into Angular development is environment setup. So let's begin. We will start with the installation of node.js. So go to your browser, open Google and search for node.js, or you can directly go to nodejs.org. For Windows users, there are direct link for 64-bit versions. Rather, let's go to download section. We will download the LTS one. So if you are a Windows user or a Mac user or rather a Linux user, the downloads are separated. So as I am using Windows, I will download the .msf file. So download the 64-bit or 32-bit version accordingly. Once finished downloading, just open the file, click on next. Mark the checkbox and proceed. Leave the path as default and click next. Everything is totally fine, including the add to path. So let's proceed now. So click on next. So now I'm already having node installed, so I will skip it. So you guys can click on install as it is the final step. So click on finish. Once finished, open command prompt. So basically just type cmd in start, hit enter, and in the command prompt type node-v. So it will return you the version of node installed in your system. Let's proceed to Angular CLI setup. So Google for Angular CLI or directly go to cli.angular.io, click on get started. It will redirect to GitHub page of Angular CLI. Go to installation section. So I will be going to installation section, click on installation. Now see, there is a npm command for that. So open the command prompt again. Now in command prompt type npm install @angular/CLI. So you just hit enter after that, but I'll be skipping this as it is already installed in my system. Now let's proceed to TypeScript. So in order to install TypeScript, you just Google TypeScript or go to typescriptlang.org. Now go to download section, and in download section you can see again an npm install command. So you just copy this command or directly go to cmd command prompt. Now type that same command in your command prompt, that is npm install -g space TypeScript. So just hit enter and wait for it to install. Now it's finished downloading. Now you can just type tsc-v to get the version. Now the final step is to install an IDE. So we will just search for Visual Studio Code in Google, or we can go to code.visualstudio.com. Now go to the download section again, or you can download it for Windows from there also. So if you are a Windows user, you can download from there, or you can go to download section. In the download section, based on your operating system which you are using right now, you can download the particular file. So I'm a Windows user, so I'll be selecting the Windows version. Now just download it. After it's done downloading, let's wait for it. Okay, so it finished downloading. Now okay, I opened it and I can see that it's already installed on my system. So you guys need not to worry about that. You just proceed with the installation. It's totally fine, no matter in any directory you install Visual Studio Code. So that's pretty much it. This is the basic environment setup for Angular. You just need node.js, TypeScript, Angular CLI, and finally one good IDE, that is Visual Studio right now. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. Thanks so much.